Peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com, and I am staying in nature right now, and I just want to share that with you guys. Staying out in Port Antonio. So this is the Echo Resort, Port Antonio family. Bayview Echo Resort in Port Antonio, out in Portland. Nature gets no better than this family. Nature gets no better than this. Here we have the spa. Morning. Now we have the spa family. So as you can see, the cottage house, the palm house, palm trail, one art. So as you can see, guys, nice nature-like stuff out in Portland. And Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com, the home of nature. I feel nature is actually played out now. So I, Ankeru, really want to bring back that side so people can see what is happening. It's too much concrete jungle. Too much concrete jungle. So we want to show you guys where you can stay if you like nature in Jamaica. This is called the Aki House. So it's native. Wow, this is nice. We're staying up top, but this is nicer. As you can see. Then they come out to Jamaica family. Come out and you want to take a touch at nature, you can come out to the Echo. This is nature. Everything is from nature. The water, everything is come from nature. As you can see, guys, oxygen is super free. So this is actually, as you can see, the pool. Morning. This is the pool. As you can see, guys, this is the pool. Nature gets no better than this. Look at this. Nature. Woo! Wow. Peace, love, family. Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com. And I'm overlooking Portland, Port Antonio. Give you a view, guys. So as you know, guys, famous Frenchman Cove, Blue Lagoon, a lot of attraction places in Portland. Somerset Falls, Reach Falls, Winifred Beach. So much things in Portland, guys. But I'm loving this right now. It's cool and it's nice. Guys, I can't share enough of this with you. I got to experience some for myself. So I'm out. But don't forget, guys, Vegan Choice Foods, the home of nature. And as we said, nature is God and God is nature. Ankeru, veganchoicefoods.com. Get that cleanse, get that detox. It's alive and well.